Hi everybody, this is Mary with Practically Perfect Plans. Today we're going to walk downtown Disney. It's great for shopping, dining, and just enjoying Disney vibes. Come along with us. All right, guys, so today in our studio, we have my husband Hondo's here with us as we walk through downtown Disney and see all the things that downtown Disney has for us to enjoy as families or even on a date night.
Hey everybody, so we're just going to walk through this and show you all the stuff that we like doing. We have lots of kids and we go to Disneyland a lot. So we just want to share all the things that we like, and we're going to start at one end of downtown Disney that's near the Esplanade and just kind of show you all the stuff that we do.
Some of these shopping areas you're going to see right now is the World of Disney. How much do you love World of Disney, Hondo?
Oh, it's great. If you like Disney merch, if you got lots of kids, if you want to take souvenirs back, this is the place that you want to head to. There's some off-site places that you can go. There's a Target down Harbor Boulevard that has some discounted merchandise, but they don't have the selection that World of Disney has. And if you're a bit of a Disney fan, you like Disney pins or ears, this is the place to go. This is where you can find a majority of your selection. Great shirts. We kind of cut it off here. We're not going to walk the whole store. We're going to actually do a World of Disney video a little bit down the road, but we just want to show you both ends of it. And over there in the corner, behind that pillar is where all the pins are. So that's where my wife likes to spend a lot of her time.
Oh, he's joking. It's actually him, you guys. So at that World of Disney, though, like he said, it has great merch. And so just even walk through it. We love downtown Disney, too, because you don't have to have a park ticket to get into downtown Disney. So all these places that we're going to be showing you, you're allowed to just come and go as you please without buying that Disney ticket.
Yeah.
You see off to the side of your screen, you're going to see that Starbucks.
Super important place to know, Starbucks.
You got your caffeine over there. You can also do mobile orders there, you guys. So those mobile orders start at 7 a.m.
If you look right here, this is the entrance from the Grand California.
That's that separate security entrance for those resort guests. And then as we pan around,
showing you one of our favorite places to eat, Napolina Pizzeria. It's across from the sweet shop, so great caramel popcorn and some great pizza.
Yeah, right there in the middle is a Mexican restaurant. But as we come around the curve, you're going to see my favorite restaurant that I love to do a quick service at. It's over here and it's called Tendita. It's off to the left-hand side of your screen, and they have great Mexican food that you can just go and walk with, actually.
So right there, we kind of walk past Centrico. There's a bunch of different stores that have just merchandise for your home. It's called the Disney Home Store. And then right around the corner, this is Beignets Express. Everybody loves Mickey beignets, but we've been to New Orleans, and our opinion is Beignets Express is as close as you get.
100%. They come out hot and fresh, and they're delicious. Off to the right-hand side of your screen, you're going to see Blue Ribbon Corn Dog. So from East Coast to West Coast, we both have that Blue Ribbon Corn Dog. Each month they have like a specialty fried deliciousness. And then here's that Lego store. Family friendly.
Cool. Yeah. Our boys love Prince Philip, so we always stop here, kind of show them that. It's a great place if your kids like Legos. To the right here is the entrance for the monorail. There's security gates there, so it takes you right into the park.
And then off to the left, you're going to see Parkside. And there's multiple locations like Gigi's Chicken Shop and Soul Sisters, as well as Sip and Sonder. So that has multiple locations inside that Parkside building right there that you can check out. It's really fun, it's cool, it's hip, it's vibe, and then you can also get alcohol in there. So that's a great perk.
In the balcony, the upstairs, you kind of sit and just check out what people watch. Great place to people watch.
Yeah, over in this area, they have live entertainment a lot of the time. Over off to the left-hand side of your screen, live entertainment. And then we kind of panned over and you saw the Star Wars trading post. That was that area that had all the vines and greenery around it. That's a great area to take your family for some fun Star Wars merchandise inside there. You're going to see on the screen some security entrances. Look at all that.
So this is the other end of downtown Disney. There's that Star Wars trading post. You can do lightsabers in there.
For a great
discount.
Cost-effective instead of doing it inside the park.
And then those security gates that are behind us, you kind of saw us when we panned around. Those are straight from Disneyland Hotel. So we like to stay at the Disneyland Hotel quite a bit, and that's typically where we enter from. Where we started at the World at Disney side, that's if you come in off a harbor. So if you stay off property, they have gates at both ends, and there's lots of stuff to do on both ends. So it's worth walking the stretch.
Yeah, so overall, downtown Disney, you guys, you don't need a park ticket to enter, which is huge. It's family friendly because you had to get through security to get into this area, right? And then the shops, the dining, it's a great date night if you have a babysitter coming with you on vacation maybe, or just even walking it with the family. They also do seasonal overlays, and there's fun activities during Easter and Christmas where you can go find secret areas, and there's almost like a scavenger hunt along downtown Disney that makes it really interactive with all of the different areas that you're seeing.
This restaurant, Din Tai Fung, that's one of their newest ones they've added. And those gates, those are from Pixar Place, and if you come from Grand Californian, it's another set of gates that you can enter from to where you don't have to walk as far.
Over here, you're going to see some of the newer shops, that D-Lander and the Avengers store. Those are so much fun to go into. You might not be buying anything, but I know my boys absolutely love standing right there. Do you see Hulk? Look at him. That's such a fun area to go take some pictures. Our son absolutely thinks that it's real and loves to go up and hug him. And so that's fun inside the Avengers store. You're able to see a lot of that fun Marvel merchandise.
They got lots of characters inside too. It's fun to just go walk around in there and kind of find all the hidden characters. There's some, Ant-Man is on the outside. You got to look for him, so it's a lot of fun to sit there with your kids and check it out. And then this is one of their Halloween decorations, the overlays they have over the top of their 70th celebration, and those are throughout downtown Disney as well. So it's kind of a fun little scavenger hunt to do with your kids as you're walking through.
Completely immersive area, and you can see there's construction. Disneyland's always improving over there off the left-hand side of your screen. We're having some new businesses coming into downtown Disney, so by the time that you watch this, there might be even some more that are open. You guys, this was so great. Thanks for joining us as we walk downtown Disney to show you all the dining and the shops and all the free activities that you can do. Remember, if you liked this video and like the content that we're creating, please like and subscribe us and follow us on Instagram, Practically Perfect Plans by Mary. See you later. Bye. Bye.
So let's take a picture. Show them what a hero looks like. You're a natural.